How would you describe the 2025 budget in one word, very quickly?
The worst. The worst.
Okay. Why is that? Just quickly, why is this the worst?
Number one, yung sabi ng konstitusyon, dapat ang education sector ang makakatanggap ng napakalaking porsyon ng national budget. Pero lumabas after BICAM na binawasan pa ang education at ang pinalaki yung DPWH. So, that's number one, talagang na-violate yung konstitusyon. So, ni-repair nila, inayos nila. Pagdating bago pinirmahan ng Pangulo, pinalabas nila na mas malaki na ngayon ang education sector. Dahil sa ni-rearrange nila kuno. Meron silang mga binito at ni-rearrange. Yung lumabas ngayon na malaki na daw yung education sector. But then if you are going to scrutinize it again, lumaki yung education sector dahil pati yung pondo, mga training fund, education fund ng DND, yung mga training units ng Armed Forces of Defense, nilagay doon kasi education daw yun, education sector. When in fact, classification noon is a defense sector yun. Under the defense sector, nilagay doon kuno para lalabas na mas malaki ang education sector. Pero